Useful sight words. Set 1. Basic words. Am. I am on the big rug. An. I see an ant on the fan. As. The pup is as big as the cat. If. If it is hot, I want a fan. So. The sun is so hot today. Us. The big bus can take us. By. The red cup is by the sink. Or. Do you see a cat or a dog? But. The mud is wet, but it is fun. Got. The man got a new hat. Let us read them again. Am. An. Us. If. So. Us. By. Or. But. Got. Set 2. Doing words. Did. You did a very good job. Get. Go and get the red net. Had. The kid had a wet mop. Run. The fox ran to the log. Sit. Sit down by the big box. Hop. The little frog can hop. let, let. Let us play in the sun. Put, put. Put the hot cup on the mat. Saw, saw. I saw a fat pig in the mud. Eat, eat. The soft pup wants to eat. Let us read them again. Did, get, had, run, sit, hop, let, put, saw, eat. Set 3. Helper words. Her, her. This is her red pen. His, his. His dog loves to run. Him, him. Give the red ball to him. It's, it's. The big cat licks its paw. Hour, hour. This is our nice school. Your, your. Is this your yellow cup? Them, them. Look at them jump up and down. Then, then. We eat, then we go to bed. Very, very. The red jam is very sweet. 2, 2. The ram is hungry too. Let us read them again. Her, his, him, its, our, your, them, then, very, 2, Set 4. Everyday words. About. About. This book is about bugs. After. After. We can play after the lesson. How? How? How did the cat get up there? Many. Many. I see many red ants on the log. Now. Now. We can go to the van now. 1. 1. I have one small green frog. 2. 2. 2 birds sit on the branch. There. There. Their hats are bright red. When. When. When can we go to the park? Any. Any. Do you have any pink paper? Let us read them again. About. After. How. Many. Now. 1. 2. There. When. Any. Set 5. Story words. Into. Into. The frog jumped into the tub. Make. Make. We can make a nice cake. More. More. I want some more sweet milk. Over. Over. The jet flew over the hill. Other. Other. The other dog is very small. Time. Time. It is time to read a story. Were. were. The kids were happy on the bus. Would. Would. Would you like to play a game? Could. Could. The clever ant could lift the leaf. Cold. Cold. The little pup is called Max. Let us read them again. Into. Make. More. Over. Other. Time. Were. Would. Could. Cold. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.